Hello there. Hey, look at what Boomerang found.
Aww, duck eggs.
That's weird. Ducks usually nest in the reeds to hide their eggs.
Someone must have moved it, just so they could go fishing. That's not right.
If a human touched it, the mother duck won't come back for these eggs.
Then we've got to do something. We can't just leave them here.
Yeah, we'll be your mother's little eggies. One's cracked. I didn't do it. Oh, they must be almost ready to hatch. Come on, we gotta get them home. There. Sweet dreams, little eggs. I can't wait to meet you. Hi, Spirit. Hi, Lucky.
Morning.
This is too cute!
Wow, they really love Boomerang, huh?
When ducklings hatch, they bond with whatever they see first. It's called imprinting. Usually it's their ducky parents, but in this case, I guess it was Boomerang. Now they think he's their papa. I'm a grandmother!
Hey, wasn't there a fourth egg? I'm sorry, girl. Guess this little peeper thinks you're her mama. Don't worry, we'll just keep them for a couple weeks until we can release them back into the wild. Hey, Chica Linda, can you bring your little baby or friend over here? They're getting big and healthy.
And they've started molting their baby feathers.
So, it's time?
Yep. They're ready to be released.
Look, they won't be lonely here.
Aw, they've already found a family. Bye, duckies!
Have a good life. Admit it, you loved that little fluff ball, didn't you? Don't worry, girl. She'll never forget you.